Let me call her. I love pork. I love pork. Hi, Saloni. Yes, we're back again. We're back again. Okay. Saloni, honestly, I feel like, say, all I do for you, I do so much good for you. And the people them on social media, all them do is bash me go, bash me come. Every other day, them cuss me and them send me a thief your money and me a do this and me a do that and me a do that. And honestly, Saloni, that does it well with me because me sure as a judge, me not a thief from nobody when me know me have more than. You see? So, where do we go from here? Slowly, honestly, I feel like, say, I help you enough. I've helped you a whole lot. And you know I've done a whole lot for you. A whole lot. How long have I been helping you now for? When did you have your party? About the 2020 or 20 something?
2021.
What 2021? Right. And I've been helping you way before you even had your party, right? Your 9-night, right?
Yeah.
Right. On the ear, what she said, I've been helping her way before she even have her 9-night, right? When the people them send back the money, and she come on her page and she, honest to God, missed the tears in her eyes. I saw the tears in her eyes because she got to jail for have one party. Mr. Not on my watch. And honestly, ever since I did my rounds with my people them and that fine got paid, the people them ate me. When me the talk on the phone, ate me. None of you don't know me. None of you don't know me. All I do is try to help people on social media. That is all I do on social media is help people. People I don't know from nowhere. Right? I'm fed up. You have people at Jamaica bash me. You have people from St. Kitts and even you have people all over the world bashing me. All over. And none of them don't know me. Where is all of this started from? So honest to God, this all start from when the fine get paid. You think I look up time they used to bash me on your Instagram page? When I come there, they fish why they this, they look at dirty boy. You do this to this one. Like them cost me because they cost me so bad because I someone went against the grapevine. Right? Honest to God, Saloni, honest to God, I call if you tell you say, like me feel say, me help you a whole lot. I help you for a whole lot. And me not gonna fully turn back away just yet. Me, I'm gonna help you for 1 more month, maybe 2, right? That should give Joseph and his girlfriend enough time to go find some kind of like a job or something. The main reason why where them gone? So don't they live there?
Everything come down on them. And every minute then the people that on social media on their name, they just set up on them.
So what, have they left the house or something?
Yeah, them go about their business.
How when them left?
I used to them Mr. Joseph, him say I go Portmore and come back. No, me not see them.
So yeah, say him live at Portmore now? That you say?
No, him not live at Portmore. They must start out their life.
So what, them leave it to fend for yourself?
Them can't help me. Them can't help me now.
So them now look work? Them look work or not? So are they moving back to the house or not?
I don't know if they're here. I don't know. They said what must start out. That's their life can be better. I don't know.
See, now me feel like I'm in a sticky situation now to backside.
the girl gone long time. Gone long time.
So what? She don't she live there no more?
No, she gone long time.
Or when she move out?
A good one now.
How long is a good while?
Before you come here. Come to Jamaica, she never been there. She never there.
So why did she move out? Why did she move out?
She said she can't, but with this scandal, I say she not going to work and she can't when she there. It's not like she a crush on me.
Now, but Saloni, you have to understand. You have to understand. Make sure she and Joseph in the house. Them are free. Them have intercourse and stuff, right? And them not really pulling them weight in the house. That never sit well with the people on social media, and it's the people on social media who was helping you, including me. I'm one of those people on social media. Even though me feel like say we are close enough to be kind of family, kinda, right? But you have to understand we're not family, right? You're only my auntie goddaughter. Even though I know your people them, that don't make us blood relatives, you know. And me feel like I did a whole lot for you, a whole lot. No?
Hello?
You not hear me?
Yeah, man,
Yeah, me I say, me and you is not blood related, right? But me still feel like me do a whole lot for you, a whole lot, even though me's not your family, you know. So are you saying Joseph move out to the house?
We don't want to about that going on the line. We don't want to about the son on the line.
Honest to God, Salon, honest to God, the reason why I'm calling is because me was gonna say to you, I was gonna help you for 1 month, maximum 2, because I want the 2 grown people them in the house to find jobs and help you to pay to just help yourselves, you know. But now you're telling me what you're telling me, like, oh God, how's that gonna go? I don't know. I don't know. When did they move out? Honest to God, Salon, me not tell no lie. The way people on social media make me feel, like to say, me I take your money or me I do bad thing, like I'm you know the people them say Salon, them have on social media say, and me pay for cost planka boss. All them something the people must say on social media. No. Another food. Me say the people them say and me pay you money for cost Miss Dana from White Mountain 99. Them say and me pay you money for cost. Yeah, me know, but listen, you have people on social media who are gonna run with it and say true, because some people them dirty heart. You see it? And what you say? Well, slowly, honest to God, I can't get used to it because me just start come out in the public eye, and honest to God, I doubt I'm ever gonna get used to it, because said anything we do for anybody on social media, I actually do it from my heart, you know. And when anytime I do things for people them want to turn upon me and make it look like say I'm doing this because I want good name and I want, you know what I mean? I that them step on social media to say. It don't sit well with me. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. No, slowly. I'm not gonna stop helping you just yet. I say I'm gonna do 2 more months on my own money. And guys, I'm not coming on social media. Come beg nobody for no money. You hear me? I doing Fletcher pledge. I'm not gonna come on social media and ask anyone for any money to help slowly, because every time anytime only give me money to help anybody, it clearly causes confusion. And I don't like confusion because confusion has never been a part of my life. My life has always been somewhat privileged. Me not put my motor on top. I've never once a day in my life struggled. Never once a day in my life. Can't say today was a, maybe ever since my right side kind of look a bit messed up, I can say my struggle a little bit sometimes. But I've never once struggled. So I don't understand how come all of these beggars on social media has the most to say about me, who's not coming on social media, come beg a dime. Yes, I've come on my page. I'm asked for money for people. 1, 2, no more than 4 times. No more than 4 times. I'm pretty sure say all of them little bit of money they want to give me, I give to the people them. All of them little bit of money, you must say little bit of money because I little bit of money. Me used to money. My family is used to money. I've always been, me grow up in our money. I've never once a day in my life said, Lord Jesus, what me gonna find food from today? Never. Hear me, bro. I know a lot of you know Norbrook Drive. That's where I live most of my life. Norbrook Drive and on the North Coast. In big mansions. Right? So when you have people on social media coming trying to make me look bad, that don't sit well with me. So because of all of these things, it makes me want to back away from helping. Me don't want to help nobody no more. Me don't want to help nobody no more because on the make me feel like say, not only on my page, well, some are on the page come listen, not for the 8 of them over here. Not for the 8 of them over here. Them come over here for draw chair, for hear if me call them name. And me not call them, not on the name. On the know themselves by name and number. My cult. The people them all say me I run cult over here still on me I run cult and them say a bag of things, you know. Them cost me like dog. Ever since I paid that fine for ye, and from then the bashing start. What me do for deserve all of this? Only them and God alone know. You know? Honestly, Saloni, honestly, I genuinely care for you. I genuinely care for you with all of my heart and soul, right? So, honestly, I kind of don't want to turn my back on her. I kind of don't want to turn back on her because if I turn back on her, no one hear me, I hear now, so Joseph and them girl, God left them. Like, I don't know. I don't know. Saloni, honestly, me not gonna say me I gonna stop help you because me not gonna say me I gonna stop help you because honestly, me not gonna say me I gonna stop help you. I can't do it. Honestly, the people them say I help this other person, Saloni. I don't know if you know her, a woman called June, right? I help her next woman called June, and I help her to do her dialysis and stuff. And basically, June is when a plank boss X recipients, whatever. And all of a sudden, June dead now because I'm finding out June tell me lie. She told a lot of lies, right? And because I stop help June, I know June drop out. Them have per social media say I mean kill June because I stop help June. Them the kind of things that don't sit well with me. And honest to God, me no one gonna stop help you, and next month gonna stop help you, and here say you're gonna drop up because the people gonna say I'm either the same thing to you and all them something there. I don't know. And me no. No, still on them wicked social media people. Wicked enough social media people are wicked people. A lot of them are dirty heart, wicked drunk crows. No way ever lie. Wicked people. So when do you feel that Joseph will go come back home, Saloni? When do you feel Joseph will come back home? So when he move out, or when he got Portmore,
Eh?
when did he go to Portmore? Oh. And we had the cook. You sound way you sound like your old self. You sound more like your old self now. That's good. You're coming on. Are you still taking your meds though? Are you still taking your meds though? Your medication? That's good because me don't want you for go back into the hole whatever you was in. Like me don't want that happen to you. Cause me sure that judge the people them are gonna blame me. Them are gonna blame me say do this and do that. And honest to God, them love calming him because them love calming him for them enough time. Me don't know why these people hate me. We don't know why them hate me on social media. Me don't know why. I know me can't figure out why them hate me. Honest to God, me I gotta say from when me and my people them pay a fine, from them start hate me. And only God alone. Honest to God, me sure say if them was in the same position like Saloni, them would have want to pay the fine too. You know the people in terms of Saloni, when would they pay a fine? Them say, all of that money could have buy a couple laptops to give and pick the figure at school, but you don't deserve it. And from then the people not cost me to back, them not cost me. And then they been cost me for as long as I can remember. Oh God. Saloni, what's the best solution we can come? What kind? Where you want me to feel? Where you want me to feel? Just talk to me. What you want me to feel? Okay, well listen. Me now gonna turn. Let me speak English because every time I speak Jamaican, my accent just mess up. Listen, I'm not gonna turn my back on you fully, right? I'm not gonna do it because if I do so, I'm quite sure people are gonna bash me. I said, look what me do to Saloni. Look, me take your money. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do that. Oh, another thing, Saloni. When I was in Jamaica, right? You was getting your groceries, right? Still. Yeah, you was getting groceries from Rushmore, right? Alright. On the ear, she was getting her groceries. And that was the last little bit of money Rushmore did have, right? Honest to God, the reason why you got groceries 2 last time is because the money was, there was only money there for the 2 more groceries. And honestly, let's just get it out there. When I collected the money for Saloni's groceries, I sent all of that money, including money from my own pocket, to Rushmore. In total, there was over 100,000 Jamaican dollars at the place for Saloni's shopping. So anyone that want to feel like me on social media, I take on the money, the wrong person. Not because Uno I teach people the money, don't mean say me and you is in the same category. Let's not do that. If I was so broke, I would have never in a million years be giving how many people thousands upon thousands upon thousands of Jamaican dollars out of my own pocket. Dwayne Saloni is not your... Absolutely, I know that. You don't have to tell me that. Me know that. Why on the feast I'm ready for back out now? Because I'm tired of the people that bash me. I'm tired of the people that bash me and cursing me. Knowing say damn well I'm doing a good job. And all I'm doing is helping people. Out of my own pocket most of the times too. I don't come in and ask you guys for money. They look at 4 times I come from page and beg little money. It causes confusion. I don't have time for no confusion. I really have no time for no confusion. This is why I tell myself, I'm not come back and beg for nobody again. If I'm gonna help the people them, I'm gonna help them out of my own pocket. Right? I'm gonna go back to how I used to do my own thing. Help people with my own money. That way it won't cause no confusion. Understand yourselves. All of this narrative you guys are putting out on social media, Me not say it hurt me, it pissed me off. It pissed me off because you don't know me. You don't know me. Anyway, Sloane, I'm gonna tell you this straight up. Me not turn my back page just yet. Me I give Joseph, I mean no Sloane, them are gonna come back in at the house. Them are gonna come back at the house. I'm sure as a judge, they are going to come back to that house. Right? So here me nah cut it off just yet. Me I tell her say, me I gonna help you. And me ask you to tell them say, to go find job and help you and help themselves. And stop put it on me because when me come, when they help me, I help the people them still are cuss me. I'm tired of getting cursed now. I'm tired of people them bash me, telling me something. I take people money on social media and putting them in one pocket. I mean, like for example, your money, them some take your money and buy first class ticket. The little money I collected for you, Sloane, could have never in a million years buy a first class ticket. And yes, I flew first class, and first class runs into the thousands. I'm quite sure me not collect so much money for you, right? It is not so much. First time, I collect 409 pounds, I put 50 pounds on it, I said 583 pounds and change to Rushmore. The other 2 money I collect was the pay Nata to look after you and whatever. I'm sure as a judge, say anyone who me call, if Nata want to come out and talk, Nata will come out and talk. So listen, me PR every single dollar she forget. I didn't.
Yeah.
I did not once take a dime out of that money. They do bash me. I don't care. You have people from Jamaica people bash me all over. Other people from St. Kitts and he was talking about say, me take the lady money and go buy a first class ticket. The friggin' audacity. The nerve. Go sit down here, little girls. Why on the not talk so what I only used to come from over Plankership me I just know. Why on the not say only used to come to my inbox come beg me to. Cause enough on over that beggy peggies. Enough on over there. I look something from the donors them on the damn self. Enough on over there. Don't know what I'm gonna find on the next meal from. And I mean, we live in England, no one can chat to. None of them can chat to me. No, they none of uno. None of them can chat to me. I wish they can though. I wish I could though. If I was so broke, I send thousands upon thousands to benefit people. Me don't know if I can paint right over there. So I want money. I'm not gonna sit down and dirty, drunk and bad my spirit self. Tied down. Anyway, so me nah stop helping just yet. I'm gonna encourage you to encourage Joseph and him girl to find 2 job and help you. That's good. That's all I ask. And until me gonna help you until them find me give them 2 months, maximum 3. They must can find a work between 1 to 3 months. If not 2 job, 1 can find a work. At least 1. Right? So me gonna help you until one of them or the 2 of them, hopefully in the next 1, 2 or 3 months, will find a work. And hear me now come from my page, come beg no money for you. Because if I come my page and beg money for you, it is going to cause confusion. And I am tired of all of the confusion where people are making me look like I'm a disgrace or I don't have no conscience, right? And I know say I was brought up with morals, principles, and values. And one thing I wouldn't do is take from the people who I'm more fortunate than. Does that make sense? If me have a thief, me have a rob for rich people. If me have a thief, me have a rob for rich people. Bear that in mind. Anyway, so me I love you, me I leave you. I'm gonna tell you straight up. I'm gonna help you. Me not stop helping just yet. But I'm encouraging you to encourage the 2 young adults in the home to please find jobs. If not 2, at least 1 of them can find a job and help you to maintain the house and buy local necessities. Okay?
Yeah.
Alright, God bless you. Me love you. I know if shit hits the fan, you know you can always call me. Don't ever think you can't call me. You hear me say? Don't ever think you can't call me. Me and your family, them I come from too far from a ton by you just so. Right? All
Yeah.
right. Big up yourself, Salome. Love you. All right.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.